Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I'm back with a very special custom drawing. Alexis Espinoza contacted me on Instagram and asked for a huge A2 size drawing of Goku vs Vegeta for her husband as a gift. So I had to grab out my high quality A2 size sketchbook. As you can see, the paper is huge, and let me tell you guys, drawing all this took me forever. But you will see all of that on my real-time channel as well. So, this is the first ever order from Alexis. So we wanted to make something real special happen. I thought of a main fight in the middle of Goku Super Saiyan 2 versus Majin Vegeta Super Saiyan 2 in a very dynamic pose. And around this main fight, we wanted to add several different fight scenes of their two iconic fights in Dragon Ball Z from the Saiyan and the Buu saga in manga style. The main fight in the middle will be colored, so with the manga scenes around it, the main fight will really stand out and the drawing overall will look just epic and different that way. As you may notice, the video is speeded up a bit faster than usual. That's because I wanted to keep my videos a bit shorter from now. My videos are usually pretty long, but that's because my drawings usually take very long. I can understand that many of you are a little intimidated when you see a 20-minute video. You want to see the final drawing, but you just have no time to watch the whole thing, or just don't want to watch a 20-minute video, which I can understand. Less watch time affects the video in a negative way, so YouTube stops recommending it. Long videos also can lead to less views because of the reasons I just mentioned. In the times of Reels and TikTok videos, where people are used to watch just 10 to 30 second videos, the attention span is very short, so I have to adjust to that. And even I speeded up this video a lot, it's still a 15-minute video. And that's because this is a full drawn A2 size piece. This one just took me like 25 hours to finish, so I think 15 minutes is a very good time. And I know that you guys are using my videos as tutorials as well. So if these videos are too fast, therefore I got a real-time drawing channel, which you have to subscribe to if you haven't already. Apart from this, I actually have a whole playlist of step-by-step drawing tutorials, which you can check out after finishing this video. As for the manga scenes in the background, I choose the best moments. Well, at least for me, these are the best moments. Alexis and I agreed to put the Saiyan Saga fight on top and the Buu Saga fight on bottom. I just can't decide which fight is more iconic. As I drew the best moments from both fights, I realized just how amazing these two characters are. For me, the art style from the Buu Saga is by far the best from the entire Dragon Ball franchise, including Dragon Ball Classic and Super. I have to say I'm not a fan of the Dragon Ball Super art style at all. I know that later down the show the art improved, but still it is nowhere close to the Buu Saga art style. Do anybody know who the main artist of the Buu saga is? That is really my favorite art style, which influenced me the most. As for the Saiyan saga fight, it had more special moments in my opinion. It was the first fight between Goku and Vegeta. The iconic stand, which I drew at first, is unbelievable. The Gallic Gun versus the Kamehameha was amazing. Goku's Kaioken was epic. And Vegeta transforming to Ozaru was sick. As for the Buu saga, the rivalry between the two made the atmosphere of the fight amazing. Vegeta as Majin is absolutely sick, and that the power levels of both were huge at the moment made the fight definitely more interesting. And as I said, for me the art style is way better. Still, I can't decide guys. Which fight do you like more? Let me know in the comments below. And let me tell you guys, drawing in manga style is so hard. I'm drawing my own manga right now, which I will upload when I feel like I have enough pages to show you. I'm working on the manga next to my commissions and YouTube videos, so I can work just very slowly on that, unfortunately. It is very fun drawing in manga style, as I love inking, but these lines, details and highlights around the characters take so much time. You may think it's easier as you don't have to color, but believe me, it isn't. Still, I really enjoyed this and I'm really enjoying drawing my manga. So stay tuned for that, and if you want to see some insights, make sure to check out my Instagram stories. And if you wonder about commissions, let me explain that for you. First of all, commissions are not for free. Many of you are contacting me on Instagram and just making some requests. This is not a commission. If you want an artist to create a custom drawing for you, of course you have to pay for this kind of service. As I said, I worked on this drawing alone for about 25 hours. So of course I have to charge something for that. I have A5, A4, A3 and A2 size papers available, so I'm sure we have all the options for every budget. And if custom drawings are still out of your budget at the moment, I have high quality prints of my drawings available on Etsy for a very reasonable price, also in smaller and larger sizes. So make sure to check that out too. The link is in my info box. As for the custom drawings, contact me on Instagram or email. If you want me to draw your favorite or own anime or comic character, we can do that. If you are ever interested in a special fight scene similar to this, let's do it. I can also turn you into an epic anime character. Actually, I'm drawing a couple as anime characters right now after finishing this video. So if that is something you are interested in, just send me a message guys. All the links in the info box. As for the coloring, I'm using a lot of different brands of markers. Mostly I'm using Copic Ciao, Ohuhu brush and Arrtx markers. These are my favorites. I also use some Arteza markers here and there and some water brush pens for the highlights. I also use some color pencils to highlight certain areas, but I'm really a marker guy. If you are on a budget but still want some high quality art markers, I can totally recommend the Arrtx and Ohuhu brush markers. A set of 120 markers costs around $120. Depends on your location. That is a very good deal, guys. Copics are great too, but they are really expensive. The good thing is you can refill the Copic Ciao markers so they last pretty much forever if you got the matching ink. These are my favorite art markers. Which are yours? Let me know in the comments below, guys. And then we are finally at the end, guys. Goku vs Vegeta and all of their epic fight scenes from Dragon Ball Z in one huge A2 size paper sheet. This was hard, but I really enjoyed creating this for Alexis and her husband. Thank you so much for this huge order, I really appreciate it. So guys, if you want this video to blow up, make sure to hit like, comment below, share this video and please watch the whole thing. I would really appreciate it, guys. Again, check out my real-time drawing channel, check out my prints and message me on Instagram for custom drawings. All the links down below. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video.